Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's Hypebeast official unboxing. The Haribo Suede Green shoes, size 9.5, adults, US, Suede Haribo FL Green by Puma. Check out this box. This thing is sweet. Nice white Haribo, got the Puma logo, and then gummy bears all around because it's a gummy bear collab. Before we get into this video, if you haven't seen, for this shoe, there are other colors. There's a red, a green, a yellow, and then a yellow with like a white stripe. We already reviewed the yellow with white stripe video, so if you want to go check out that video, a little link thing will be popped up here, and then another link will be down here, and then at the end of the video, there should be a link. So go check out that video too if you like this one, like we're about to get into right now. So this is my first time seeing these. We just got these in the mail today. Let's get into it. So I went to Champs and Foot Locker a while back, and I saw these at Champs, and I saw them online, and they looked pretty cool in the store. I've personally never worn Pumas before. I've worn this just for a little while, not this one exactly, but the yellow ones. It's pretty basic shoe, nothing too crazy, but as in feel or comfort, I mean, I thought they were pretty flat. There's not a lot of padding, so they're not like a running shoe or anything too crazy, but for daily wear, they're a good tennis shoe. So that's the box, nothing else in there. Got the shoes. Let's check these out. So like I said, I had the yellow pair. I liked them, but I only got them because of them being yellow, and at the time I needed a yellow yellow shoe, so got rid of those. Got the green ones. I'm gonna show you all around. Check these things out. Let's start out simple. All around suede / like denim material. The laces are pretty chunky. I like that. Old school vibes. Different shoes, different vibes for them compared to like the yellow ones or anything. But we'll start out with some of the noticeable features, especially because this is a gummy bear collab. So start off on the right shoe, factory wise. Got a little keychain here of a gummy bear. Thing is sweet. Check out the tongue. It says Puma, and the Haribo at the bottom. You can see right there, Haribo logo. On the side, another logo, Puma Haribo. Just says Puma Suede. Haribo on the side though, and then on the bottom with the green ones, super cool. And it does have it on the other ones, I believe. Check out these bottoms. Kind of let it focus in. You can kind of see it looks like there's a little bit of dirt already on the shoes. I don't know how that's possible. It kind of looks like gummy bears. You can't really tell. How it looks in the camera is kind of how it looks in real life too. But it's like a see-through-ish material, plastic or rubber bottoms. Pretty cool. Check out the other shoe now. Same dealio. Got that kind of see-through vibe. Kind of looks like the bottom of a gummy bear bag if you ever looked into it. Really nice looking shoe. Can't wait to get these on the feet and start rocking them. And then also on the back, the other cool thing about these shoes, we have little gummies. So it's actually like a little bubble here with a picture of a gummy bear, if you can see. So it's a little gummy, and you can squeeze it. Pretty cool. They look sweet. Don't know what I'm gonna rock it with yet, but we'll definitely have to wear these out and about. That is today's Hypebeast official unboxing. Team Helix sponsored. Puma not a sponsor at all with the channel yet, but if they want to hit us up, please give us a call if you like this video. And if you, the viewer, like this video, thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Hit the bell icon notification down below. We hope you enjoyed today's video unboxing. Also, before we exit out, we're just going to pull out the insole and see what's in there too, just so we can check it out. Yeah, just like the other one, leather in the inside. It will get kind of dirty over time. And then at the bottom has a logo.